Ever feel like something is holding you back from living your best life? Imagine what it would be like to step fully into your potential, knowing exactly what you need to do to make your dreams a reality. In this video, we're breaking down manifestation into 3 simple, powerful steps that will help you align your vision, beliefs, and actions. Let's dive in. Step 1. Visualization. When it comes to manifesting, visualization is your foundation. Why? Because it's a way to connect deeply with what you truly want and start aligning with it on a subconscious level. The best way to start is through meditation, which helps quiet the mind and tune into our inner guidance. Aim to reach an alpha brainwave state, a relaxed, creative space where you're open to new insights. Enter with a soft intention to let a vision come to you. Ask yourself, what does your soul truly desire? Imagine yourself living out your highest potential. Picture yourself in full detail, your presence, posture, voice, even the environment around you. How do you dress? What kind of energy do you carry? What does your world look like, from the places you work and live to how you spend your free time? This process gives you a glimpse into the highest expression of yourself and helps you understand what you're truly working toward. For a deeper dive, stay tuned for our upcoming video, How to Meditate to Connect with Your Higher Self, the Science and Practice. Step 2. Affirmations. Now that you have this vision, let's talk about affirmations. Affirmations are like bridge building for your mind, helping shift your thoughts and beliefs to match your goals. As you hold your vision in mind, reflect on any beliefs or doubts that might be holding you back. Think about where these beliefs came from, maybe childhood experiences, relationships, or even societal expectations. Then consider how you can replace them with new beliefs that empower you. For example, if you doubt your worthiness, create an affirmation like, I am deserving of all the success and joy I envision. Feel it as if it's already true, and let that belief settle deeply in your mind. These affirmations are powerful because they align your thoughts with your goals, keeping you focused and resilient. And remember, each affirmation is like a building block toward the person you're becoming. In one of our next videos, How to Let Go of Limiting Beliefs with Love, we'll explore more ways to address and release those blocks for good. Step 3. Inspired action. Finally, manifestation requires action. Not just any action, but inspired action. This is the step that brings everything into reality. Inspired action is when you follow that deep sense of this is what I need to do next. Start by breaking down your goal into small, manageable steps and get moving. It is also referred to as salami slices. Embrace masculine energy for focused, driven action, but be mindful to balance it with feminine energy when you need to recharge and reflect. Think of it as putting your vision into motion without forcing it. Before you act, get into the energy of already having your desire fulfilled. Feel it as deeply as you can. Then map out your daily, weekly, and even monthly steps toward your goal. Set goals, but stay flexible, ready to adjust as new opportunities or insights come your way. To support you in getting started right now, we'll have more tips in our upcoming video, How to Set and Achieve Goals for Your Future Self. So there you have it, the 3 steps to manifestation: visualization, affirmations, and inspired action. With these tools, you're not just waiting for things to happen. You're actively creating a life that resonates with your highest potential. Thank you for watching. If you're as excited as I am to bring your dreams to life, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. In our next video, we'll be diving deeper into the science behind manifestation and uncovering exactly how these steps can transform your reality. Until next time, remember, your energy is powerful. So use it wisely.